I've had 2 hip replacements at Campbell Clinic. I had my first one 5 years ago, and I had my second one just 2 years ago. I'm very active, I'm on my feet a lot, and just every day was kind of a struggle where, I hurt a lot, and it was just making my job difficult to perform. And I wanted to be able to continue to compete at tennis and at pickleball, so I decided it was time. So I teach tennis about 20-25 hours a week. I still play tennis at a high level, and I play pickleball. So I was not able to do these things that I enjoyed to do, and it was difficult for me to perform my job on a daily basis. So. I had outpatient surgery and went in early in the morning, and I got to go home early in the afternoon and sleep in my own bed, and started PT just 2 days later. So I mean, that was great. I'm able to do all the things I was doing before hip replacement. I'm able to teach any lessons. I'm able to compete at pickleball and tennis with no pain and no problem with recovery. I'm thrilled that I went ahead and did both surgeries. I'm back to being myself, and the quality of life is so much better after surgery than it was before. I'm able to do my job every day, and I'm able to play pickleball and play tennis, which I love to do, so I'm excited I did it.